What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day because today I'm going to show you guys something very interesting. I'm going to show you this waterfall. It's in Bali, north of Bali in Indonesia, and I was there just for the day, and I think, in fact, I would say this was one of the most amazing waterfall that I've ever been to. If you guys are in Bali, you definitely want to check out this place. It took us roughly 2 hours to get there. We were staying at Kutha, so from there 2 hours drive, and it was such a nice drive. We got to see a lot of volcanoes, a lot of mountains on the way. The view was just amazing, but this waterfall, it is absolutely beautiful. It is pretty much in the middle of a jungle, so you're gonna see a lot of monkeys on the way as well. So it's kind of like a rainforest, just the climate, the view, everything about it is just amazing. Guys, I'm not gonna do a lot of talking this time. I'm gonna show you guys the view and let the view speak for itself. So watch the video, enjoy, and I will see you very shortly. Alright, so we are stopping by for some food, and we're at this restaurant. Alright, let's go check it out. Yeah, I'll be right there. Alright, let's walk in. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this. Now this is the view you get while having your food. Now that's pretty amazing. Oh, that looks scary, man. This looks like a teddy bear.
Oh, oh, that's what you were talking about. Why is this?
Hey, buddy. I can hear the waterfall, guys. I think we're almost there.
Yo, it gets really worse. So,
Why, it's more deep now?
yeah. You know what? You shouldn't wear your shoe. Even me too.
I think Nahida is fine because she's
Oh,
not
damn.
heavy.
So we've been walking for the past 10 minutes and I think we're almost there. Probably another 10 minutes to go to the fall. This is where we're going. Let me just show you a little picture here. All right guys, so this is basically a broom that's made out of stick. Yeah, look at that. Clean the dust. It's pretty cool, pretty handy, huh? Okay, we're gonna continue walking up. Oh, this is definitely a good workout.
Some wild mushrooms.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
It's mushroom.
Magic.
And I think we just gotta go down and we're almost to the falls.
I don't feel anything for me.
Alright
Yeah,
guys,
just change it right now. Change it.
let's go down.
Hold on. Wait for
Be
a second.
careful. Ooh. Alright, it's kind of slippery as well because it's raining a little bit. And I think last night it was raining. So it's a little muddy, a little wet. Oh, I could hear the sound. I could see some water over there. I'm just waiting for my friends, but just take a look at this. Imagine coming here at nighttime. All right, let's do this. Oh. Be careful, guys. Yeah, it is pretty slippery. Oh. Okay, this part is pretty dangerous. Just careful. Go ahead.
Yeah? Does it get worse or better?
It doesn't get better.
Oh.
Thank God.
This is a good bit.
Alright, let's go down. Whew. This is a lot more difficult than I thought. Okay. Just gotta hold on to this and go down. You alright there, bro?
Of course, brother.
Oh my god, I'm sorry for the weird noise.
Yo, there's like wild mushrooms here. Yeah. Eat it, bro. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna walk fast. Okay. Let's see. Holy. Oh my goodness. Scares me just thinking about going back up. Excuse me. Sorry. Sorry. Go ahead. Okay. Should be almost there. Oh wow. It's raining really bad there. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so beautiful. Never seen anything like it. We're gonna get wet, guys. We're about to get wet. Look at this. Oh my God. And we're still working on going down. I'm hoping you got a stick here.
Yeah.
Bro, seriously? Seriously, man?
It's my traveling stick, man.
All right. Wow. Such clean water. Woo! It's pretty cold.
Oh my god, it's raining really hard.
Oh, we made it, guys. Look at that. It is beautiful. It is raining hard. We're all wet. This is a great experience. Wow, look at that. I'm all wet. Oh my God. This is absolutely beautiful. All right, I'm gonna go towards the falls now. It's right there, literally. Okay. Oh Lord. Just gotta watch out because it's pretty slippery. Oh. Oh my God.
Go, take a picture.
It's raining, so there are some people under that.
Yep.
Staying away from the rain. Oh my God. I'm sort of out of breath after walking this much. But it's definitely worth it. Look at this. Wow. I just can't explain in words how beautiful this is. Let's go down. You gotta walk slow because this is pretty slippery. Oh man. Okay. Let me hold on to this while walking. Wow, this is crazy. Look at that. Just look at that. It's really cold water though. Oh, it's beautiful. I didn't bring my shorts. Okay, this is really hard. I think we only made 10% back. Oh, look at this. That's gonna be a challenge. Break area, I guess. Alright guys, so that's all for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you until the next time. Peace.